Hi miss watching, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you how to make homemade turmeric essential oil. So first things first, get any carrier oil of your choice, and I'm using coconut oil. And also this is my turmeric I'll be using. I'm using turmeric powder, but you can use the raw turmeric, and also a tea bag, water, your jars to store your oil, and that's my turmeric this is my tea bag. So you add your turmeric powder in your tea bag, and then you fold it nicely. You put it in your glass, and then you add in your carrier oil. This oil has an antibacterial properties, and it's loaded with a lot of antioxidants. Also, you have to always dilute this oil with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin. This is very important and essential. Don't ever apply this oil directly to the skin, but rather dilute it with a carrier oil, be it coconut oil or olive oil, almond oil, any carrier oil of your choice, and any carrier oil you have available at home. So I'm done adding the coconut oil in the glass. The next thing I'm going to do is to cover the glass, and then in a boiling hot water, I gently steep the glass in the water and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you gently and carefully bring the glass out, as it will be very hot, so you need to be very careful. And then you remove the tea bag containing the turmeric powder, and then discard it. You allow it to cool down, and then you pour your oil in your storage container and store it. So let's see the importance of this turmeric essential oil and the uses. It's very good in drying out your pimples and also prevent it from further reoccurring. It also makes your face glow, and by so doing you just mix this with olive oil and then apply every night before bed. It also helps you look very young and also eliminate any facial wrinkles. And above all, it also helps you brighten your skin and lighten it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly check out my other videos. See you in my next videos. Stay blessed. Peace. Shalom. Choose.